Once you're here, we provide a way to actually modify the value because it's just mathematics and based on historical data. But if you know, because you are able to collect some information in the field, that probably there will be some additional salespeople coming, so potentially you can increase the sales, or you run a special promotion for a specific period. So let's say you want to replace this data, you just need to type the information, and automatically you see the information is updated. So we always keep the baseline forecast. That way you can actually always track if you added value, and I will show this later on. But we always track any modification. That way we can track what is the added value brought by the user. Okay, so you can change this data in plain number, but you can also decide to add a percentage. If I want to add 20%, I just need to type 120%, and automatically the data is updated. Okay, so we also provide a tool that we call Forecast Edition, where we provide the way to edit and change this data massively. So you can do it exactly the same way as I did earlier. You can do it at the lowest level, which is, here you can see I have my 5 items, and I can request to see the next one. Okay, and you can see in red the cells that have been modified. So you can select the item and see the display as well. You can see the forecast as well. If I want to change the data, I can do it and change this data here. Okay, similarly, and you can see that I have some updates. But also what is really interesting is that you can aggregate the data, let's say per any type of field that you have provided. So if I want, let's say, to work at the family level, I just need to select family. And if I, on the tool, as you can see, reorganize the data at the family level, and I can now see the historical data for this particular aggregation level. Okay, and you can see also that I'm seeing this forecast, which at this level, since forecast has been computed at the item level, it's just the sum of all the forecast. Okay, but we provide the way. First, we provide the way to change any data in the forecast. Here massively. So let's say I want to add 30%. So I will type 130%. Okay, automatically you'll see that I have an update for the family, but also all the item belonging to family 3 has been updated accordingly. Okay, one way to see it is to disaggregate, and you will see that I have some new data for item belonging to family 3. This one, for example, the last one. So you can see this one as inherited from a value that I modify at the aggregate level.